In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to italicize in Excel. Italics are a simple way to add emphasis, distinguish notes from main data, or match a specific formatting style in your spreadsheet. Let's walk through exactly how to do it, and I'll share a few helpful tips so you feel confident using it anywhere in your workbook. First, make sure your spreadsheet is open and ready. Start by selecting the text you want to format. Click the cell where the text is located. You should see a clear border appear around that cell, which tells you it's selected. If you want to affect more than one cell at once, you can click and drag across a range to select multiple cells together. You can also hold the Control key while clicking to select non-adjacent cells. The important part is that the content you want to emphasize is included in your selection before you apply the formatting. Next, apply the Italic style from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. In the font group, look for the Italic button. It's the one with a slanted letter I. Click it once, and the selected text immediately switches to Italics. This button is a toggle, which means if you click it again, it will remove italics and return the text to its normal style. If you're not seeing a change, double-check that the cells you intended to format are still highlighted. If you clicked elsewhere on the sheet, the selection may have moved. You can also apply italics even more quickly with a keyboard shortcut. With your cell or range selected, press Control and the letter I at the same time. Just like the ribbon button, this shortcut toggles italics on and off. It's a great way to move fast when you're formatting multiple entries. If you're editing text inside a cell, say you've double-clicked into a cell or you're typing in the formula bar, Control+I will apply italics to the specific text you've highlighted within that cell, which is handy for emphasizing part of a sentence or a label. A quick recap before we wrap up. Select the cell or range you want to change. Use the Italic button on the Home tab to apply or remove italics. And remember, you can do the same thing instantly with Control+I. With these simple actions, you can make your data clearer and more professional in just a couple of clicks.